Welcome back to Solidworks tutorial. In this video I will show you how to design a simple part in Solidworks. This is the good example for the beginner who want to learn the Solidworks from an initial stage. To draw this part, first of all see the drawing. First of all select the top plane and make the circle of diameter 50 mm and extrude up to 80 mm. So let's start the drawing. So go to the file, select new part, then OK. First we enter the SolidWorks interface. Now change the scene of the SolidWorks. So click on this and change to plane white. First of all go to the top plane and right click, sketch, then normal, and make the circle of 50 mm. So go to the smart dimension and it will be 50 mm, then OK. Again we extrude up to 80 mm from this surface mid plane. It will be 80 mm. So click and exit the sketch and extrude up to 80 mm. So click 80 mm from mid plane. So select the mid plane, then OK. From its outer surface make the circle of 35 mm, which is 16 mm above this circle. So go to this surface, right click, sketch, then normal, and make the circle of 35 mm. So go to a smart dimension and it will be 35, then OK, and extrude up to, go to the feature and extrude boss base up to 16 mm, then OK. So it shows 96 mm top, so 96 minus 80, so it will be 16 mm, and above this surface make the circle of 20 mm diameter and extrude cut through all. So again select this surface, sketch, then normal, and make the circle of 20 mm. So go to the smart dimension and make it 20 mm, then OK, and extrude cut, go to the feature and extrude cut through all. So select this, through all, then OK. To create this sketch, so simply it is 30 mm from this surface. It is 30 mm. So now look, it is 30 mm from this surface, this sketch. So we took plane from this surface to downward 30 mm. So simply go to the reference geometry and select the plane and make the plane of from this surface 30 mm but reverse direction, then OK, and click this right sketch, then normal. Again sketch the center line. So simply select this line, it is horizontal, OK, and make the line from this from this line again this line to this line. First of all, select all the points to the symmetric. So select this point, shift key, and select this point and this line and make it the symmetric. Then OK. Again see the breadth, the distance between the center line to this line is 65 mm, and this distance will be 30 plus 10 40 plus 10 50. So simply go to the smart dimension. From this point to this 65 mm, then OK, and this will be distance will be 50, then OK. Again make the circle from this point to this line and go to the trim indentage and trim this surface, then OK. Again extrude from this surface 40 mm. So simply select, go to the features, extrude boss base, and extrude up to 40 mm but reverse direction, then OK. So this cutout, so simply select on this face, right click, sketch, then normal. Again this cutout will be 15 and this will be 15, so its total will be 30 mm. So simply select this center line from this point, so this will be, and make the corner rectangle from this to this line, and make into symmetric. So press the shift key, select this point and select this point and select this line, make the symmetric, then OK, and it will be 15 plus 15, it will be 30. So smart dimension, it will be 30, then OK, and it will be 35 mm from this center. So the distance between this point and this line 35, then OK, and extrude cut through all. So go to the feature, extrude cut through all, then OK. So again create this part. First go to this face. So simply select this face, sketch, then normal, and make the line of, from this make the line of 9, it total breadth will be 90 mm, but it will, total breadth will be 90 mm, but the center distance between 30 mm plus 10 mm. I think 15 plus 10 25, and 25 40, and 90 divided by 2 45. So 45 minus 25, it will be 20. So simply go to the corner rectangle and make this from this it will be 20 and extrude boss, go to the feature extrude boss base 10 mm, then okay, but it is in reverse direction, so okay. Then to create this, so simply go to the we select the plane, so go to the plane, select this surface and this surface, so plane exit at mid, so then okay. Again mirror this part, so simple go to the mirror and select this plane, and feature will be this, this surface, then okay. Again create this part, so go to this line and make this, it is 45 mm, and the arc will be 70 mm, so simply go to this sketch, then normal, go to the line from this point, then it will be 45 mm, so go to a smart dimension and it will be 45 mm, then okay. And again select this, it also be 45, then okay. From this surface go to the trim, go to this line to the smart dimension, and it will be also 45, and arc will be 70 mm, so simply select this and go to a smart dimension, and it will be 70 mm, then okay. Then go to the feature extrude boss base, go to sketch, then normal, go to extrude boss base, and it will be 10 mm from this surface, and OK. And to create this to this surface, so simply go to the mirror and select this plane, this plane, and select this boss extrude, then OK. So we design this part. Really it is helpful for the beginners who want to learn. So go to for this cutout, so simple, make the circle of 12 mm which is above this line 20 mm and this surface 20 mm. So select this surface, sketch, then normal, and make the circle of 12 mm. So select the smart dimension and go to 12 mm, then OK. And from this surface, this line and this surface, um, 20 mm, and this 20, then extrude cut, go to the feature and extrude cut through all both. It will be cut through all both the part intersecting, then OK. So go to the view and you can hide all the planes, sketch, then OK. If you want to apply the material, so go to the appearance and select the metals, apply the metal which you want to apply. So go to the chrome and select the brush chrome, then OK. So that it is very useful for the beginners who want to learn SolidWorks.